Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Sonata door handle, updated. Start by gathering tools and assessing the symptom to determine if the problem is a broken latch, loose cable, or trim issue. I'll walk you through safe panel removal, inspecting linkage, replacing worn clips, and testing operation. Follow each step slowly, keep parts organized, and don't force plastic trim. By the end, you'll feel confident reinstalling everything and testing the handle smoothly. In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Sonata door handle, updated. Carefully remove the inner door panel by first disconnecting the battery and then removing screws hidden under caps and armrest trim. Use a trim tool to pop plastic clips free without cracking them. Keep screws and clips in a small tray and photograph connector locations for reference. With the panel off, you'll have clear access to the handle linkage and latch for inspection and replacement. In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Sonata door handle, updated. Inspect the rod or cable connection and replace any broken plastic clips or frayed cable ends using OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts. Reattach linkage securely and apply a light coating of grease to pivot points and the latch mechanism. Operate the handle several times to confirm smooth motion and proper locking. Once satisfied, reassemble the panel, reconnect the battery, and verify all electrical functions work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.